In a significant development, 346 newly appointed government lower primary school teachers in Meghalaya received their appointment letters today, the 6th of February 2024. This marks the second round of appointments following the distribution of 458 appointment letters in Tura just a week prior. Speaking at the event as the chief guest, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma emphasized the pivotal role of human capital in shaping the future of the state. He highlighted the government's dedication to enhancing education by appointing qualified teachers, underscoring its commitment to the welfare of young learners. Addressing the assembled teachers, Sangma urged upon them to recognize their substantial influence not only on children's education but also on the trajectory of the state. He encouraged them to remain steadfast in their mission, work with zeal and guide future generations towards a brighter Meghalaya. Sangma extended his best wishes to the teachers for their upcoming endeavors.
They've all opened TLM kits. A very good initiative for all the school children of Meghalaya, especially the preschoolers who will be receiving. I'm guessing it's about 30 to 35,000 kits. I request all the teachers to kindly come.
We might be doing different things in different ways, in different positions, but then we are all here to achieve the same goal, which is to take our state and our people forward. And it is only achievable and only doable if all of us work together. I have always believed that investment in human capital is the biggest and the most important investment we can make. I repeat this everywhere I go. If a nation and if a state is aspiring to move forward and become one of the most developed states, and also become a model state as mentioned by the Honorable Minister, it may take time. It's not something that will happen in 1 month or 1 year or even maybe in 5 years' time. It will take time. But until and unless we as a government, as a society, as a team, we don't invest in the right areas, we will not achieve those goals. And hence, human capital, the productivity that we want to achieve, the way we would like to see every young mind work to its highest potential, to its highest productivity, and not just become any normal person, but be able to really shine in the state, in the country, the world, if possible. What do we do to create that opportunity in the person's mind? That's really what we're working at. The most difficult times that a child faces in his or her life is a time when the child is above 8 years old and in adolescence, what we call, going into teenage. Especially in today's world with social media and the different kind of peer pressure that we have, different kind of distractions that we have, social problems like drugs we have, early pregnancy, teenage pregnancy we have. These all happen from the age of 9 to about 19. And again, the teenage to the adulthood is a time when they are ultimately able to excel based on the foundations that we lay. They're able to excel in what they are going to do and become in their lives in the future. And that's when the opportunities, like for example, we have enough opportunities and infrastructure for education, for sports, for music, and for entrepreneurship, or anything that they would like to do in life. That happens and then at the later stage, and of course in adulthood.